Hello everyone, happy Sunday. Thank you so much for joining me for another CAD tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing or attempting to make another fun background for a card. For most occasions. So before we move forward, I want to give a shout out to my subscribers, those of you who stop by and watch my videos, and of course, those of you who leave comments or any feedback is always appreciated because that's how we all learn and grow. So let's get started. Today, I am going to be utilizing a few Distress Oxide inks. This one is a Wilted Violet. This one is Fossilized Amber. This one is Pine Needles. And this one is Abandoned Coral. What I will be doing is this. I found those two cookie cutters that I had purchased. I have no idea for what, but I'm going to be using them with those Distress Oxide inks and to create, some sort of a fun pattern on here. I also have the close enough matching colors for that we could, to color in. So I will go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and get a little bit of green here, trying to get as much green as I can. And I will do that with each color. And I'm doing this for the first time. So to be honest with you, I don't know how it will turn out, but again, we shall see. So I'm trying to create more of a watercolor. Okay, and that's the first set. I'm just going to get that wiped out if I can find my tissue paper. And then I will repeat that with each one of the colors. And once I am done, we shall see the results. I shall be right back. Here you go, guys. This is just, just really lovely, actually. I'm trying to see if this will focus in. Doesn't seem to want to focus, but hopefully you can see the different colors on there. I do apologize because I was trying to get my system on autofocus, but it looks like it's didn't want to do much of that, I guess. Okay, so now that I have this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to utilize those, like the purple. These are what you call them again, gel pens. And I'm just going to just be, coloring in just different places. It's not going to be every place, but just, strategic places based on the color. So far, you see how pretty it is. I'm trying to get it to focus, but for some reason, it's not focusing and it's on autofocus. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to utilize a couple of brushes here and, just add that little last finishing touch. I'm right now using the pine needles and I'm just going to do a little light, here and there, to finish it off. Right now that we have that done, so you can see I use the same colors, the gel pen first, then of course, I passed the uh, did the blending of the different colors in here. So you can see this is a really fun background. If you can see the colors. Now, I'm going to do something that is a little off, but you'll see. So now that I have this, I don't want it to just be the same old square. So I'm going to start to, tear it up, right? So now I'm going to go ahead and get those on here. But again, I wanted to get that little, white, on the edge to give it some, just a little bit of something extra. I'm just going to do this like this. I'm just laying them up so I can, see where I want them to fit here. Okay. So you can see how it came out. And what I may do as well is I may use one of the, the colors just kind of to get a little coloring around the edges. But, have fun, guys. Do you. Thank you for watching. Later.